At house. So I thank God today. I don't want me my godmother come talk for my platform. Since where this matter come out, this morning I me tell my godmother, may call for your platform or the priest that platform of Mama Joy. But I see the way you want you to take talk. Say you wanted to try to bring me down. You want to try to bring me down the way you talk. Polite insult. I don't go school, I know what people polite insult. But I don't take as a quarrel. I beg. If my matter come another day, you don't fit talk, put you rest. Anytime where your matter still come, I know they talk for your matter before. Now because of what happened that day, I be man like you. Where woman go drive me put for us, I not go happy. Now make me cut up put. You know, she say, now your wife, I want the quarrel would say, the character when they behave not good. I know insult you. But you, I know we talk for your matter again, not talk for my matter again. I not be presenter. I be native daughter. The way you say they behave, you want to bring me down. When me with a Jabok get quarrel, you come and come to insult me, unnecessary insult. That all of another group, I not think I say anything, but we know the quarrel. You be person when I like, right for the one, and your family. So I beg, I don't want to quarrel. As we talk with the manager ourselves, they go see. So that we can't tell you go maybe think top, you know, the immensity here, or drop in any go you are, or drop you are, Niketi, drop you go you are. So you don't stop here, no problem. Or we can't always say, no, we can't have the tiny where you are telling you go your top. Or we can't always say, what we can't, man, it closes you, man. Since you don't stop here, in my way, go your doorway, it top in it. So my people, I thank God. Say the mama when it God mother, sister Awele, if he come out with the brother, he can't swear, ya juju, he go do the rest you and finish for house. Anytime we take go house. This type of women, now with the pride to get for our society. Woman wait for go fit take her now chest. He go come swear say, this is where they accuse them for so you not one. And they like all those kind of women. Now those kind of women, I want me God to bless me for one marry. Woman will go cook. If we swear for the world, make the world see him. I they like this kind of women. Wait, it go take pride. He go swear any old juju way the same way swear. If they catch her adultery, because he knows say he might clean, and if they go house next year or this year, may go see swear course. Their juju, they don't be a juju where they bring come out for live video. But me go house, I go weakness her. If I not weakness her, I go send person go make weakness her. Enough is enough. For this I just have a space say, anybody where they try to correct me, come up for evil way, they go find where to label you because na evil, na they be. So I want to pass message to Mama Ego. Mama Ego, where Frank sleep with? Because now what did they do? If I can't tell the world, if I find the underwear, I go find them. Mama Ego, the message when I want to send for you, make una tag her for me. And a very nice woman. A very nice woman. But they pray make devil tongue, not deceive person. They pray make devil tongue, not deceive person. Woman wey say you know deflect, you know see devil tongue, wey deceive am. Mama, I go. I just talk am boldly. I say, me go bring go juju, me you can't swear. Your husband, family say me you can't swear, you say no go swear. You not see my godmother. He say he go swear. And he swear for platform. He go see swear for house. I know say some presenter will come and come to join you now because you don't give them money. You don't give them money. They don't know the condition. They don't know the condition of Papa Ego. If they know the condition of Papa Ego, now man where you bought 3 pikin or 4 pikin for, now I be this. I do women. If I there's someone they put some, I'm not supposed to put some. I do women wait there for Europe. Now they are dirty character. Now I be that. Now I be that. I dey talk and boldly. I don't know whether Mama go na Benin woman or whether not be Benin woman. But due to where they talk for live video, it's there for Asigi, it's there for many things. They don't feel they accuse her like this for a very long time. You don't feel go big go you can swear. Me, I not say Frank sleep with her. If Mama go say Frank not sleep with her, may follow his husband. May follow his husband. May husband go. May they go swear. May husband for where. May husband for where. So make una share this video tonight. May rich man and woman hand. I just say, person follow my godmother go they talk. I don't know the person. Papa go they call me since then. I not carry a phone, but I want to decide to carry a phone this evening. Make una share the video now. The demands when he give me, or the question when I ask him. Now they follow Mama go. Mama go na good person. I not say not be good person, but he must do the needs. The needful he must do it because all of us are man. The way women take they treat us for Europe, the way they take they frustrate men for Europe, not the way I like. So make una tag Mama go, make una tag Papa go. One time we sit down, you're close for work, so I want to call Papa go now. I want to call Papa go now. Any presenters when no say go come fight me, may come make the come out because adultery. Person where they fight adultery before na 419, na thief. Na 419. We know the truth. I want me. If they take this saga, they cover a shit. I thank God say, my godmother don't come and say, he go swear for. He go swear for house. He see swear for Europe. So matter when he there for grants is then Mama go. Different people don't come tell and say, Frank Victor sleep with her. And the time when Frank Victor go a house, when he there for Germany, I know the time we take go. I know the time we take go. So now what did they do? Now that they label me. Make una share the video. Make una share the video. Make una share them. I not be presenter. I not the presenter. Now what is no good? Now they repair. Now what is no good? Now they repair. As new generation prophet Atiti. I be say I go delete the video when I first do for Mama go. As far as say my mother don't come out, say they catch an adultery. They say they open pekus for his son. Say they open pekus for his son. My mother don't come out now say he go swear for us. He see swear with their juju. Their juju for their place. Not be our juju. The juju for their village. Not be our juju. They get different juju, be different to our own. Mona share the video. So, Mona tag everybody. I thank God. Say, my godmother does swear. I want to call Papa Ego now. I want to tell Papa Ego, may take your wife. May they go house. May Mama Ego go do the necessary thing. If Mama Ego not go do, he not go do the necessary thing. Now tell you now, know the truth waiting for this matter. I no say fear. No go let Mama Ego do this thing for his house. Fear no go let her do one. The highest he go come up for husband house. Now I be waiting one plan. I want to prove them for now. So make una share the video. Make you go viral. Make man and woman see her. I know they talk lie. Now truth I they talk. My papa will train me. If you born me another generation, maybe my papa tell me as I they talk lie. But the papa will born me this generation, so he tell me as they talk truth. I don't know say truth that they go police station put. I don't know say truth that they go police station put. My papa, next generation tell me how to talk. Show me how to talk lie. Show me how to talk lie. So now good evening, my people. Yes, when I connect another at house, I just come for work. When I could drop this video. When I could drop her. City, I will God go bless you. Anything with the poor and go the better for you. Your good no go buy you. Your good no go buy you, City. I will not verse. Now me draw you go meet these evil people. Where they destroy your name so. Because they no say if you don't set like this, I will come tell the truth waiting I know from my go body. Now make the fair attack you. Make they take over their shame. I don't fair do this kind of thing before they draw me go courts. Papa I go the sick as they talk so. I don't want to talk the sickness. Maybe Mama I go can't talk. And Mama I go come out can't talk in here. I go to deal with them for this social media. I don't say not do good for me. The good way they do for me now, the time way they tell and say, nah, adultery, now that period right they do good for me. So as far as say the husband is sick, all of us now man, even though not be Benin man, an Igbo man, I need to fight for him. And if Mama go do this thing, this adultery way flank they sleep with her. Papa I go where? Benin women were there for Europe. One are the frustrated to her husband. One are the frustrated to her husband for an atrocity. If I call her different, the name when I call people, I don't fit call you now, Mama I go. If I call you the name because my papa tell me, oh, when I wait time, when I wait time, I will swear, you what it is swear. You know what it is swear. You know, City, I will. When the talk say Prophet Atiti they sleep with God for big battle. He swear their juju for their place. He say if he go see go as he go see go swear. Mama I go 1 year plus. Now the secret. 1 year plus. 1 year plus. Now the secret take leak. As Frank take on your house. As Frank take almost what take on your house $100 loué. He can't leak peku $100 loué. You know if you do the needs for your husband. Your husband go ask for December. He go your house for December. Ekialawu. If you do this thing, Mama Ego, Ekiaga Pagbe. If you do one, Ekiaga Pagbe. I know so many presenters that can't talk support you because there be evil presenter will go support you. Now that's why they take the chop hungry. There be hungry people. Now like they take they eat. People like us know they talk like we they talk in reality to the world. We not be presenter. Any presenter where you see truth, you not talk. Oh, we are not doing that. We are not kicking that. Any presenter where see this truth when I talk for Mama I go so he say he want to support Mama I go. Oh, we're not doing good you are, we're not kicking good you are. Because Mama I go, say me go do the needs for a husband. And if it, okay, I want break and down, I want call Papa I go now. I want save the man alive. I not put the picture now. I supposed to put the picture. Frank almost one evil. Won't never know. Frank almost war na evil. Won't never know. It's just the color of una say when I call Saga Cynthia. When I call Saga Cynthia. When I call Saga Cynthia. All of una really run the comments. Una no know say na evil. Many of una don't they know. Many of una don't. What did they beat my godmother for? Because say my godmother not they give her money. My time, where are the time God to this? Everybody see the way they jealous me. God do well say una see as the way they jealous me. Now jealousy they can't follow me. Oh. The way they make this boy they jealous me. What they make her they jealous me now because of my godmother. When you see I get, if I call my godmother, now say mommy, see as everything be. You see other people not take the two go, not take the do picking. Now me need treat. Now I take do picking. It take me do picking. I introduce them to many people. I draw to many people. These people wait all of the way they talk to them so. Wait there for the time we will day together. No one, if they're not chopping money, go be 150. I don't learn today. I don't learn. I don't talk and say no presenter when I feed the call again because I not be presenter. I dey talk always. I not be presenter. I be picky we call correct their evil way that they do for those cyber space. Maybe Richard Osaje, you look my video. I not be presenter. I not go school. I not get what they present. Now maybe new generation where they repair what is not good. You don't see mama. You don't see mama go. You don't see mama go now. Mama go now. I dey come at 20 times in a day. If this matter not serious now, this mama go matter. Maybe it go be 50 times in a day when I go to comments. Richard Osaje, not let her pay you. I not be presenter. I not be presenter. I be native doctor. Una fit talk say my mercy not the work, but you not can do for my hand. People will come do for my hand. If you too take, if you not work for 1 month, if you too take 3 months, you don't start to work. If you not work for 2 months, if you too take 3 months, you don't start to work. Anybody when I do medicine for. Because our people they hurry too much. They need instant miracle. They need instant miracle. Me not they do instant miracle. If I do medicine for you now, from now to 3 months, some day we go react for 2 weeks, so some day we go react for 14 days. The way as the place far reach. As I they send the message, they send her the message. The best way I do for her. Now so I go to blame native shock follow her. Make we arrive to the destination. We thank God today, say my mama, he don't come out. He tell the whole world saying go swear, saying you don't follow Atiti do adultery. I dey tell you now, say now let the woman where your husband drive, say me go sell property. Only the woman where married to only 1 man. If you too big, it will be 2 men. Not be the one we don't marry to 3 men. I know they find. I know they marry that kind of woman. Now the woman where your husband drive, say go sell property. If you not sell, I go take her house and follow and guide the property. He go repair the property. He go call the property. Go call the people who call like the property. Now that kind of one they do. Plus the one way be window. Any woman wey don't marry one husband wey born 3 pikin and fit see marry am. Wey born 3 pikin and fit marry am. So far the pikin don't grow. If the pikin never grow and not dey marry because you no get attention for me, you no go get attention for me. Now the children go get attention for. Any woman wey doesn't born 4 pikin, wey pikin don't grow, they do their own and fit see marry am. Because if they dey small, you no get attention for me. Now the children go get attention for. I don't want more the quarrel. As I be, that's why they talk on. But now, what you make me come this evening? I go block you if you write any again. If this afternoon you feel they do nonsense. You feel they do nonsense, I they look you. If you know, if your eye not let you take look, you'll go out. I know they do saga. Go they watch all my video. They come since when I come. I know they do saga. Now the truth I they talk. I know say una know what una they do because hungry beat all of una. Una want they do make the saga the hot. I know. Una want they do so make the saga the hot. Not be today I enter social media. I know all of una. Since my mother don't fit come and come swear, he saying go out, go swear. If you put Kwekus for Atiti, because now what did they do when they know say I go come top, come out? Now I make the wrong come out first, so cause they label my godmother. Different lies. I will block you. I will block you. If you do that again, I go block you now. If you don't want to respect yourself. So now, I want to call Papa I go. I want to ask some questions. I want to call Papa I go. My mama begged me. Okay, let me call Papa I go. Oh, go. Where Papa I go number? Where Papa I go number? Where Papa I go number? Papa I go number don't vanish. 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 Yes. When I come here for a year. Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Good evening. I did for live video. Since 3 days, I did try to call you. Now I can call you today. Good evening, sir.
Good evening to you, my brother.
Wait till make me call you. Cynthia, now your sister.
Yeah.
Cynthia, now your sister. If you come out for public, if you can swear, say you know put Kwekus for me.
Yes.
With the lie where they put for a body, he can't swear. So wait till make me call you this evening. I did for live video as I did talk so. Wait till make me call you. If my sister, if your sister fit come out, can't swear for the public. If you go out, you go see swear. If I see my Kwekus. I don't know if you talk, say your president, I don't know if you talk with you, I want to talk. But if I see talking, from Victor, you sleep with your wife. So I want me your wife, Mama, go do cleansing. Now what I need that I want me to go do cleansing because the time when you go to your house, you tell me say you want to go see your wife. Yes, I'm telling you, sir. I never tell you since then. I want to tell you now. Because what you me not do where they label me, now he do one. This kind of thing I be want to do for it Douglas, it is Douglas coming. Since you not coming, I go beg it to a Douglas, I beg. I want to tell the world so I not be picking where they talk like sir. So what I need may do for you. May you for where I know say you know you dey sick. May God not let you sick. May God cure that sickness. May God cure that sickness. If my man go come out for live video, he don't try to me with her. What I need for a hand, I want me go do kissing. Wait from Victor to sleep with her. Now your presence at the talk and now, sir, from Victor is evil. We go destroy your house. From Victor na evil, we destroy your house, sir. I be man like you. I will not let abomination to take your life. God forbid. It will never happen. If you don't know before, me they tell you today. Now me prophet Atiti. Anywhere they want draw me go, me them, I will follow them go. If your sister fit come out, come swear, and if you see this house, you know the juju way there for a place. I want me mama go sue her. Ah yes, you go say you know marry again. I go do. Now adultery woman. So I don't get much to say. I just say when I bring your picture come out 3 days ago. Because I know say you they sick. I know say you not well. For the adultery way they do for your house. Now make you call you now. I just they put them for your face. No let them. No go they think me at attack. No go you I beg. No they go they think me at attack. No you sir. I be picking way new generation where they repair waiting no good. I need to repair your house for you. Are you hearing me, sir?
I'm listening. I'm hearing you.
I want to repair before Mama go cut land. The land won't get that buy before I cut her for Frank Victor. I tell you.
No.
It no just or no. He tell you say you want to sell land for Frank Victor. Not be say he said he dashed because said the boy they lick pekus.
Atiti is enough. It's just enough. Like you said.
But what I want, may do for you. I want me go do cleansing.
Because you know that the act was performed. You want to tell me so that you are even. Let me say something before I can say, because I've spoken on Cynthia issue. You understand? Because when I saw the crisis, I said, why must all this be?
Because sir, when I wait till you do, you know say I can't talk now. Now I want to label me. Now a quick wrong. Say I did sleep with my godmother never see her for face. Now only video call without talk. That's why I can't talk say they will put pekus for me. You know say if this time come, I will come prove everything. The whole world will see the wickedness, the evil when it be. People they talk as is there. Me call you personally and they tell you now. I want me mama go follow you go out, go do cleansing. Ah yeah, you go say you not do now. No, if you not do, no, you not say do am. If you not do, you not say do am. May if you not say you not do am now, may follow you go out, go do cleansing. May you for where. Now since when you do that thing, I make you the sick. Mama go to the talk lie. If you go to the talk lie, I go tell them now say na maybe new generation. Now maybe picking with the talk truth. I go too beat you now. That land where you go from Victor, Papa I go seize for your hand. Because you not tell the man where you born for before you cut land for person.
Okay. Nevertheless, the say now who go now know. If whatever that is happening, and you have just said what you said now, my ear. But one thing I have to tell everybody, because Victor is there and saying something, but I'm on the line, because for me, now who he affects, now he the pay. Other people were there around, now mockers than me. Because many people want somebody's downfall to climb.
Wait till you now because you start to quarrel with them the first time. Now make them now to do this Igbo man way go marry for you do someone way go marry so where now so if you want to you because you be strong man now make a rock come up for where you dey now go carry another Igbo man wife.
Okay.
Now paper be want go collect for mama go. She say you dey put you dey talk the matter will come up for social media now he run go carry another Igbo man wife. Talk if you want to talk to us, sir. I want to give you time to talk to us.
You see that I greet everybody, I greet the house. Atiti,
Sir.
One thing I believe in life is that whatever one does, the person can defend it. Or whatever we say, can we defend it? Because what is happening now, it has been long. my own side issue. Me, I'm not a blogger. I'm not a blogger. But I am a media man in the sense that my office deserves internet. I work online. So sometimes I can click and hear and see and still pass and do whatever I want to do. But this one now is giving me more attack, hearing from you that I know quite sure that you are a friend to Mamego. You, Victor, that I know because she do talk about people, she do communicate with you people. And this thing is coming out from this family that I feel that they are one. I mean, I am an outsider. That when I hear,
I hear you, sir.
I hear. That waiting I hear because here they're not blocked out. Anything you say, here must hear except protest. But you go take and go do arithmetic for house. Know whether truth there or not truth. Because at the end, you might not know my action or how it's going to affect me. And I might not take it lightly if I find out that rumors are true. How? If I don't do anything, I will come to you and say, my brother, I'm not vexed with you. Maybe because you don't know. Then look at it, na me go. Na me no, see as it happen. But since you are an insider, you are telling me boldly like this. And I've been hearing it. I've been in a little confrontation because no man on earth will hear this. And now somebody is telling me to pump and play to my head and to the world. Please, I don't have much to say now. You can take it and speak what you know. But I cannot stop you or your media, even if they tell somebody, stop. It is your office. I'm short of words with what you just said.
So,
now,
sir, what I want to tell you, I don't tell you. But what I want, what me, your wife go do for you, I want me follow you go, me go do killing.
Well, if she has said, because me, I didn't accuse anybody.
If you not do cleansing for this social media, you not contain me with Mama Ego.
Wait first. I didn't accuse anybody, Frank or you or this, and even the name when I've asked for.
I'm telling to your face now. Now wait till I know. Wait, now I dey tell to your face. From Victor sleep with Mama Ego.
Okay. I've heard. She will come and defend herself.
You know, like one can talk. I all those who they do they talk loud. I go to beat her if you talk loud. I'll to beat her.
No, they talk and she will come out.
Papa Ego, I want to ask you a question. As you be so you were, you know they sick.
My brother, anybody where they hear this kind of rumor, it is even if not you or any other person, any gentleman, even a grace man, they hear all these things about in person, what is in body. You know, go there, okay. I'm not okay because it's like the world is against me, including even my wife. It's like the world is against me. I'm just alone with God. Because all these things, I don't know when I give trust. Now, when they do together, no, I know myself. I might tell you I don't believe, I don't accuse anybody. But now, what I hear?
If you don't believe,
so
me they tell you, I come and take my phone, call you, I comfort you.
People that know what happened, I will be satisfied because I will back her, and I will now do my homework for those. If it is a false accusation, I will deal with those that give that false accusation because they are causing me a harm. But if it is true, I cannot drive my wife. I cannot do anything because what am I? What I have to ask my wife is, if it is true, go and clear the air. Swear with you with a swear. Then make them see. Say you're not there. I think this is what I can be able to say. If she can come out and declare, like, since all these things have been happening, I plead to her to come and debunk you people all, right from once till the end, so that make we know what did happen. But if she can summon courage, because this thing is just like a slap. A man of my type cannot come and tell me, for instance, that he make love with my wife. I go to look at. I'm not go look at her. Even if now you go look at.
I don't go look at him. I go pad the man.
Okay.
I go pad the man. That's the way say, where collect wife for me, where they talk say, and he go to deal with me. He say he go to deal with me, the man. When I buy ticket for woman, wait for me, go another place. He say he go to deal with me. He follow me back. 5 years now, I spent for enjoy that one. 5 years now, enjoy that. We started for December 19, 23. December 22, 23. First, bye. So, sir, I don't tell you what I want to tell you. Anywhere they want to draw me, go. May mama go follow us, may go swear. So if you get family, when you go call, we will put for live video, make the poor one for the Ojuju, make the swear. May mama go the swear. Call them immediately. May you for where.
Atiti.
Sir.
There is, in fact, I am just heartless.
Don't be heartless. Don't be heartless, sir. I just tell you the truth. Don't be heartless.
I'm heartless. I'm heartless because this woman just happened. Because she called me and he explained. I said, look, before I can even talk to Frank, because I was trying to talk to Frank, go and clear yourself first. Then I will now call Frank and tell him it's okay. Because if you cannot clear yourself, what am I going to talk to Frank? Whether what you they talk not true, or whether they tell you the truth. And she really did it. Which satisfies my own soul for running to me, and I didn't tell her I support you for what you did or what you had, or you do and you not do. Me, I don't know. But go and clear yourself. As well as my wife, even if I hear them, I enter inside room. I not go drive her, I not go call and say, look, what I hear? What I talk? This person told this thing. Is it true? He said no. Is it true? I go verse. Then okay, to make me push on, she got to come out and, like I have said, even me myself that is here, if I do anything, I don't go hide under bed. Somebody pursue me, meet my mama. Say, where your son, where your son? My mama go first ask, what did he do? He said, no, he can't thief bread here for our store. God, are you sure? Or I make una wait. Let I go ask my son. You understand? Because I not see him for in hand as he run. Then, my son, when you thief bread, he say yes, as a good son. He say, oh, so this son don't kill me. Okay, let me go back. You go carry her for hand. Beg. If not to pay, not be. You go there, you go pay. So that next time, you not go do that thing again. Now, so we do for our place. So, in any formulation, as you have spoken this thing in social media, in the whole, even if it were to be with you, with the say, like, nah, it didn't air. It didn't air. So, if, as you have said, that there are, although social media, there are evidence where the for person do this, I said, a person tell you, say, I go fuck this person, and not true. Or now the boy tell you, okay, no problem over that one. My wife or the person involved, I will not tell her anything. I will tell her, please, before I should die, for instance, because there are some things.
Epa, if you hear a kukukus is there, if you hear a kukukus is there, if you hear a kukukus is there, me, you can't tell you for your face now.
For us to have peace and debunk anything, first swear for them to clear the air, because now the whole world, internet, the phone. So I think
Don't women. Wait there for Europe. One of the police our men like this. One of the frustrate our men like this.
We be my main equal right hand person. And Frank, maybe now, if I change them for everybody, because maybe you might be thinking because I am an Igbo man, or I am, no. We get tradition. Tradition is all over.
I know say you don't dey sick. Igbo man, Benin man will be the same. Benin man, Edo man will be the same.
It's trauma. It's trauma.
Where be trauma? Where be trauma? Where be trauma?
Trauma is a part of seasonal sickness.
Okay. Sickness. You call it sickness, not be trauma.
Trauma will go. You understand? Not that anything, but the law in heaven will know that any man or woman who went to kill another person because of her sin or his sin will pay for it at the end. So I will wish, as you have spoken, my wife, I would like to hear from her on this platform that you have spoken, because
you go call this platform, you go call deny. Whether I go fit deny. I go bring my house and come out. May swear. I go bring my house and come out. May swear.
Let us hear from her. If you can, now your sister, now your friend, all of that, they always they die and eat.
You know Asigidi. You know Asigidi. You know man. May go bring all of them. May go swear.
So, spoken. Call her as you know. Ask her. Waiting now this, waiting I hear, waiting I see. As me, as a husband, you know, say forgive wife. You said they marry her. You understand? You know, everybody they marry woman with the original woman.
Talk to me.
No good woman will support you. So, I am not in support of that. If she, like you have spoken, are here. Atiti, have I sent you or called you for anything?
No.
To go and saga person?
No.
Or to say about somebody? Do I call you? No.
No.
If not, when I was in Germany, I spoke when they were having little communication, and I was with her. I spoke. But since then, have I called you?
No.
To tell you go and saga or tell you my problem?
No.
I have never told you my problem. You understand? So, for you to go and call somebody to saga person, I'm not in that form. Now my wife, if she not be saying enter social media, I go know now. I not go know now. Or I go know me.
We not go know you. We not go know you. We not go know you.
So, on our social media together, please, you people can give more information, but let it be a cogent information.
Now, good information.
No solution.
Before I go call you, sir, before I call you, can't tell you face to face. You say that fake information at the carry abi?
No, I didn't say so. There are real, there are fake. But before somebody speaks,
what I want me do? Make bet one or two buy ticket. Me go to Amadioa.
Okay, no problems. Talk to her. Then
I want me follow you go Nigeria, go to Amadia. If you not go, now they quarter day with me with Tamu. I dey repair house waiting those boy.
Oh, I thank you very much. Make the house get repaired. If I thought there is any destruction there, it's good if you can repair.
If he not follow you go and go swear, they talk of the world and night I take the talk and so. I know say presenters when you go give money, they'll come to fight for her. But
let me tell you one thing, because I have been keeping a little bit quiet and investigating, because it can take years, but I must arrive. I want to still say something to all presenters. We don't use my wife's name, take chop chingom under this adulterous. One, I might not blame them because they say, nah, person will go carry firewood where ant they. I invite ant for a house, or lizard, or chickens, or fowl. This thing where they sow, on the talk. If not, they say with they na she go the tackle or mingle or the blog with the friends, which today I beginning to know. I don't know before. Okay, and it's not sounding well in my ear. to my own dignity, to her own dignity, to her own family, to my own family, even others that are involved. That is why.
Wait, I just ask you a
made
question.
sister-
I have a question when I
made
first
my
ask you.
sister
First,
to go and swear to clear all that she is talking as she complained to me. So the same thing I have told my wife, and there are things we have to do. If she
you don't
has
first tell your
done
wife,
this,
you
I
don't
will
first tell mama
try her.
go swear. You don't tell her go swear.
When there was a rampage at the initial time from Don Prince, which today I spoke in, and I told him this adultery issue, as it started from you. So maybe time will come, they will bring proof. Or after swearing, because this thing now is like, I cannot just have a say. Somebody might say, I'm not speaking like a matured man, or I'm speaking like small picking. That is the word for you. But if you listen carefully, you will hear. Don Prince, I went just because of my sister said that is where she want to go, and Enogie a place. You understand? I said, well, the only thing I'm there is to interpret what our deities is, and why I'm here with you, for you to swear. Since you have told me you did not do, then go and clear the air. The same thing I would tell anybody, because one thing is that red-handed was caught, suspicion was there, or I confirm because the person tell me. Then you call the person as a testimony. Not you tell me this, or not you do this. So if my dear is there involved in your platform, now your sister, make it just come freely, debunk it, and life will be free for everybody. Everybody will fly on. But what I'm trying to say, after that, anybody will want to do saga, make it the top through. That is what I have to say.
Okay,
so that is it. Because
Okay.
we are watching. There are intelligence.
Hello, sir.
recording and doing
Hello, sir.
everything.
Before I cut land for
Yeah.
Frank Victor, I cut land for him. He not sell land for him. He tell you.
Let me tell you, she at the initial time, it was when Frank came on air to say it, I know. Then I asked her, I asked her. Then she told me, said, yes, she sold the land to Frank. Then I know the private discussion when I get with her. You understand? That is what she told me.
No, he tell you before he go sell land for. He not sell for Frank. He tell you before he go. He tell you say, okay, he tell you say he sell land for Frank. He tell you before he go sell land for him.
No, I told you no. I
Okay.
cannot tell her.
Me they tell you now. He not sell land for Frank. Now cut for him.
Anything can happen.
Now cut land for Frank.
Okay. I'm getting this. So if I do my own finish, me I go do my own.
So I don't tell you what I want to tell you, sir.
I will discuss it with my wife.
I don't tell you what I want to tell you. Good night.
Thank you very much.
If you not go swear the Amadi I want to swear for our village, now me with him for this social media. I go to beat him. I go to disgrace him.
Atiti, please. Sometimes it's not too good for a person to be so quick angered. We have to take it easy. Your sister, call her.
I know the caller. Now Piki they label me lie. Piki they label me lie. Piki where they sleep with and they label me lie. Piki where they sleep with and they label me lie. When me know the truth, I know the truth that they put it. Wait, I not do for my head. I go quiet. So sir, I don't leave you. So call your family for us. May mama go do the necessary thing. Make for you. Make for where.
Thank you.
Okay, bye, sir. Cause it your husband. Cause it your husband. Me sit here carry your husband. Me carry sit here go out. Me go swear. I go to do now for this social media. Una never know me. I not be presenter. I be native daughter. So all those presenters when you want go give money, when you want call they make noise, mama I go give them money. So, my people of the world, now because of the truth, when I want to talk, like they beat me, they put like they label my mama. I want to the proof of all that. We could wait tomorrow. We could wait. I tell you, say I do pass una be children. Una they learn. Una will learn it with hard way. I will tell you, I say na me be Professor Atiti. Pikin will not go school. Make una charge the video. Make mama go swear. Make go do cleansing. If you not do, now he go wrong. He go say you not do. You not marry again. He go define small boy when one call the lake Ikpekus. Waiting if I fit to do to this woman so. Now mama go if you want to. If you want pursue this man come up for us. He want pursue this man come up for us. May go take mama go get document. Because he say no way. Now he come face Italy. Igbo man when he never divorce his wife. Now he go put for us so. When I call my mama for Canada, my wife, when I call her for Canada, I know they talk loud. I know they talk loud. Milaki, DJ Goyi. Milaki, DJ Goyi. What bet? Okay, I saw what. Hello. God bless you. God bless you. Oh, hello. In real life. He go with live video. He go with live video. Ragmo, man, go. You know. You know. Oh, okay, Mudia. If nobody there forward me go, if nobody there forward me go, he said the yoni. He said the yoni. Oh, Ofiana. What you want? A move phone. So my people, I just come for work. If my godmother fit come and come saying he can't swear. Why mama go no buy ticket? When I start this matter 4 days ago, I say mama go must buy ticket for. They must go as go swear. Now what did they do? Now that they label me. Now that they label me. My battery door off for this phone. Nobody will call me again today. So my people. Make una share the video. They say if they see person where they swear for, they'll take a touch his head. I don't tell you. I'm like, now message will I send you be that. Not leave my mind go for waste. He go do cleansing. Now me go keep contact you say me you leave on. Now what is good now they do. Now what is good now they repair. Don't present all of them with the verse now. Make una verse. The way women take they frustrate our men for Europe, I don't like them. The way women, all these akuna women, I show where my papa tell me say they're not good. The way they take frustrate our men for Europe, I don't like them. Papa I go the sick. I tell you that they sick. So make una share the video. Any I take talk on. I no be presenter. I be native doctor. You see, now Papa I call direct. They tell her what they happen for your house now. Then may they go tell them for Lagos, may they arrest me. May they go tell me for the Lagos. May they arrest me. When I get to court, now 2 cases I'll call God for Lagos. Go follow Papa Ego, go swear for their village. If you talk say you don't marry that man again, now trouble you get for this social media. Now trouble you dey. Una go marry body for affinity. Una go marry body. Death na go separate una. This one wey the first small boys kpeku kukuba so. Wey the first small boys wey wan call the liquor. I no go gree. So my people, una bye bye, una good night.